How to add a listing on Agoda. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily add your place to a listing on Agoda. First thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for agoda.com. Hit enter. Once you do that, you'll be taken directly to the home page. Now just make sure to log into your account. And on the top side of your screen, once you're logged in, you'll find something called List Your Place. Click on it, and a new tab will appear on Agoda Homes. Now just wait for a bit. Here, as you can see, you need to be verified host to complete the steps below. You need your name, upload your photo, get your email verified, as well as your phone number. So what I'm going to do is first go to the listings tab here. Once you land on this tab, you'll find different kind of options like in progress, active, or deactivated. I don't have any listing now, so let's create one. Click on add a listing. Here you can get a fast track import. So if you are on any of these other platforms like booking.com or Airbnb, you could directly import your listing from here. But if you want to do it manually, it's completely fine as well. You can choose this. So let me just create a listing manually. Click on next. So let's just select a home type property. Click next. Select which type of property best fits you. So let's say let's just select apartment or flat. And then you can select other types of properties as well. So I'm just going to select bed and breakfast for now. Click on next. And how many units do you want to list? Let's just do one for now. And after this, you are going to have to search for location. So you could just select on the map if you want. So let me just select a random place for now. Click on next. Add the street address, building, or the floor unit. That's totally optional. And you can add a postal code as well. So if you click on next, you're going to have to add your amenities, your rooms, your pricing, your photos, details, profile, and then finally publish your listing. So if you have any amenities like free Wi-Fi, if it's a non-smoking area, something like this, click on next. Then type of room, set up your room. So let's just do a single bed, number of beds, one each room. And then let's just click on next here. Now add your pricing. Let's say if I just add this as 40 Thai baht for per night, click on next. And once you have done that, you can just select bank transfer. And then finally, you can add a new account once your listing is complete. Click on next. Now, after this, you're going to have to add photo. So let's just add this, click on next. Add pictures if you want. You cannot skip it actually. So let's just add random pictures here. Click on open and then next. Finally, you can add some details, create your profile for your listing, and then publish it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.